Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Fresh details about the new upcoming Budget King phones of 2026 have emerged online. According to the latest available data, Samsung Galaxy A37 5G and Galaxy A57 5G are now available on the Google Play Console database. The appearance of both models in the Google Play Console database may indicate an official announcement is imminent. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is preparing to release the new Samsung Galaxy A37 5G and Galaxy A57 5G smartphones, information about which has already surfaced online multiple times. Ahead of their debut, the devices were spotted in the Google Play Console database, confirming several key phone specifications. According to Google Play Console, the new Galaxy A37 5G model has the device code A37X. It is confirmed to feature a processor with the codename Samsung S5E8845, which indicates an Exynos 1480 chipset, as well as a Samsung Xclipse 530 GPU with a frequency of 1300 MHz. The device will come pre-installed with Android 16 operating system and 6 GB of RAM. Furthermore, the Galaxy A37 5G will feature a display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a density of 450 dpi. Regarding the Galaxy A57 5G, device code A57X, Google Play Console data confirms previously reported information from certification agencies. The smartphone will also feature a display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a density of 450 dpi. The new Galaxy A57 5G will be powered by a chip with the codename Samsung S5E8865. Its architecture includes one ARM Cortex-A720 core with a frequency of 2.90 GHz, 3 Cortex-A720 cores with a frequency of 2.60 GHz, and 4 ARM Cortex-A520 cores with a frequency of 1.90 GHz. This configuration may indicate the use of an Exynos 1680 processor, a Samsung Xclipse 550 GPU with a frequency of 1200 MHz, 8 GB of RAM, and Android 16 operating system out of the box are also mentioned. Judging by the published render, the new Galaxy A57 5G resembles its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, in appearance. The database shows the device in gray. The appearance of both models in the Google Play Console database may indicate an official announcement is imminent. The new Galaxy A series 2026 is expected at the end of February or early March this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.